Hey dudes, here's how to grunge up your logo using Inkscape and GIMP. This tutorial works on logos with one color, so make sure your logo is only one color. First, change your logo to black. Here's my Newecreator logo, and let me change that to the color black. Then draw a rectangle around the logo, making sure that there's a lot of space. Already did that, but it's in an off-white color. I'm going to change that to white. Then select both the logo and the background, then export them to PNG, maybe about 2000 by 2000, and let me export that as here. Save that and then click export. Now let's import that to GIMP. Now here we are in GIMP. Let's go to File, Open. So here we are with the PNG and click Open. Just to make sure, duplicate the logo first by clicking here. Now let's add noise. Go to Filters, Noise, then RGB noise. Untick independent RGB and increase the value to whatever you want. But I usually recommend about less than 0.5, but not too less, like 0.1. So let's go with maybe 0.256. Then click OK. Now let's add a Gaussian blur. Go back to Filters and go to Blur, then go to Gaussian blur. Then let's increase the size of the blur about maybe 10 points something and click OK. Then go to Colors and then Threshold. This is where you need to think how much grunge you want your logo to be. You can drag the slider up to here to change the grunge level. I want it to be a little grunge but not that grunge, and click OK. Then export the file to another PNG. Export as, let's have it as edit PNG and then export. Export again. Then here we are back in the original SVG file in Inkscape. Let's go to File, Import, and then let's choose the edited one. Okay. Then we need to trace the bitmap. First, select the grunged up logo you have, then go to Path, Trace Bitmap. Here we can change settings here, but I'm going for the default and I'm going to the live preview so we can see here. I see that the settings are fine enough that I can see the logo is fine, grunged up, and click OK. Now you have a very grunged up logo. As you can see, it's now a vector. Since it's now vector, you can change it back to the color you originally designed it to be. So yeah, that's how to grunge up your logo using Inkscape and GIMP. So anyways dudes, I'm Newecreator and see you later. Man, this logo is weird when it's grunged up.